Hey crew, I had no idea this existed out here at the between Alma and Luna, just outside of Alma. It's a really cool shooting range. It's crazy. It's not attended, of course. But take a look. Yeah, you could really reach out there too. This is really awesome. Little restroom, benches. There's a little picnic area over here. Grill, trash cans, cool little benches. Huh. This is awesome. So it's just outside of Alma. No $100 bills in the trash cans. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. So here's the little picnic area. And then some little house. I don't know what this is about. Maybe a concession stand? Burritos, chimichangas, tacos, nerds. This is really cool. Again, public lands, babe. Get out here. It's a pretty cool little rifle range.